Tragedy struck at Rabat Zoo in Morocco when a young girl was killed after being hit in the head with a stone thrown by an elephant. The 7-year-old girl was taken to the hospital, but she succumbed to her injuries just a few hours later. The stone somehow made it past the fence and the ditch, which separates the elephant from visitors. The girl was reportedly attempting to pose for a photo with the elephant when she was struck. Zoo officials claim the enclosure meets international standards, adding, "This kind of accident is rare, unpredictable and unusual." This is just the latest incident in a series of mishaps between animals and humans. Just 1 month ago, a 2-year-old boy was killed by an alligator at Disney World. The Disney World incident occurred 2 months after a gorilla was killed at the Cincinnati Zoo after a close call with a little boy who entered his enclosure, and days after a woman was killed by a tiger at a wildlife